Hey, it's your digital rebel granny. Here to help women over 50 rewrite the second half of their life with skills, sass, and systems that actually work. Let me ask you something. Have you ever tried an online business, posted a few things on social media, and wondered why is nobody buying? That was me. I was proud of the veteran-themed merchandise I created, especially for women like me, even our furry family members. But I wasn't making sales. I felt so defeated, like I was doing something wrong, but I didn't know what. I started a print-on-demand store selling military veteran merchandise, mostly for women, but products for our fur babies. It felt like a great niche. But after the excitement of launching wore off, the reality hit. I had no clue how to market it properly. Social media felt like a foreign language. I was posting, hoping, and honestly, I was exhausted from getting no results. Then I stumbled across the Legacy Builder program. Let me tell you, this was not just another course. This was like being handed a full business in a box. It taught me how to show up on social media with purpose, how to create content that actually attracts people, and best of all, it didn't require any tech wizardry. Just me being me, learning one step at a time. But it didn't stop there. This program opened up 4 more digital products I could sell at 100% profit. I went from 1 income stream that wasn't working to 5 that finally made sense. Here's the first thing I learned that changed everything. Marketing isn't about selling. It's about connecting. I stopped pushing my products and started telling my story. I spoke to people like me, women over 50, who are capable, smart, but tired of guessing their way through YouTube tutorials and expensive online courses with no support. The Legacy Builder system gave me a step-by-step content plan, a rejection-free funnel that works even when I'm sleeping, weekly coaching from multimillionaires who actually are doing this. And most importantly, it gave me confidence. And when confidence shows up in your content, people notice. So if you're watching this and thinking, I'm too old to start over, I'm not tech savvy enough, what if I fail? I've been there. But if you're coachable, committed, and ready to take consistent steps, I'm here to tell you, you are not too late. I started my journey at a time when most people were slowing down. Now I'm speeding up with purpose and helping other women do the same. If you want to see exactly what helped me make the switch, get my Freedom Formula blueprint in the description. It's how I went from 0 confidence to building a business I am so proud of. If this video spoke to you, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with a fellow rebel who's ready to stop waiting and start building. I'm the Digital Rebel Granny, and I believe it's never too late to live life your way. See you next week for another Teach Me Tuesday.